Hello, students. Standard 10, Subject Science, Chapter number 3, Metals and Non-Metals. In this chapter, we have seen the physical properties of metals and non-metals and also started chemical properties of metals and non-metals. We have seen the reaction of metals with oxygen, water, and acid. Today, in this video, we are going to learn the topic metals react with solution of other metal salts. Everybody has a question that how do metal reacts with the solution of other metal salt? The concept is very simple. Let us understand this concept by an equation. The more reactive metal will displace the less reactive metal from their compound. That is the biggest reason. For instance, in this reaction, metal A plus salt solution of B, A is more reactive than B, then you will get on the product side is salt solution of A plus metal B. If metal A is more reactive than metal B, then it displaces the less reactive, it means the metal B from their compound. That's why metal A plus salt solution of B, it will become salt solution of A and plus metal B. We can perform a simple experiment to understand this. So let us perform an activity which is activity 3.11 based on this topic as named in your textbook. Take a copper wire and iron nail. First of all, we'll take these two things. Make sure they are clean. Then we will need two test tubes, one with the solution of iron sulfate solution and another with the solution of copper sulfate. Now put copper wire in the solution of iron sulfate and iron nail in the copper sulfate solution. From this figure you can observe we have taken two test tubes. In the first we have taken copper sulfate solution and put the iron nail in it. In the second test tube we have taken iron sulfate solution and put the copper wire in this solution. We will wait for half an hour and see what happens. We see that the reaction has taken place. Only in that test tube the iron nail is placed. The test tube in this activity we have taken copper sulfate solution and put the iron nail in this. That is a reaction. From this figure you can observe that the color of the solution has changed and the color of iron nail also changed. Let us see the observation. Here is the iron nail that we have put in the copper sulfate solution. After some time, iron nail taken out from copper sulfate solution, the color of iron nail is changed and we see the nail is coated with pinkish brown deposits which is nothing but copper. And don't assume it rust. It is not rust, it is copper. And it happens because iron displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution. Iron displaces the copper from the copper sulfate solution. So the chemical reaction taken place which is CuSO4 plus Fe, it gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Now there is a question in everybody's mind that why is it happened with the iron nail? Why the color of iron nail is changed and also the color of copper sulfate solution is changed? Because here iron displaces the copper, as we have learned that more reactive substance displaces the another substance from its compound. Move further, if it will keep kept for few hours, a large amount of copper will be displaced from the copper sulfate solution and iron takes place to form iron sulfate solution which is green in color. You can observe the color of the iron sulfate solution which is green. Now what about the reaction in another test tube? Yes, there is no reaction at all, and that's because iron is more reactive than copper. Copper will not displace the iron. So what we are trying to learn here, in the second test tube you can see there is no reaction. These are two equations that we have got in this activity. This happened because reactivity of iron is more than reactivity of copper. Therefore, iron displaces copper from its solution, but copper will not displace the iron. Our aim in this video is to find out the order of reactivity of metals. So, on your screen you can see the order of reactivity of metals: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, copper, mercury, silver and gold. This is the order of reactivity. This is the decreasing order. Potassium is more reactive than sodium, calcium, magnesium up to gold, and gold is less reactive than potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum. So this is the decreasing order of reactivity of metals. Making metals react with oxygen, water and acids gives us a brief idea about the order of conducting the many such experiments. Will also give us an insight into which metals are more reactive. So, after many experiments and trials, the following reactivity series has developed. This is developed. This is most reactive, reactivity decreases, and the least reactive. The reactivity of metals decreases as we move from top to down. Therefore, this is the order of reactivity of metals. Hope you have understood very well. We will learn on this topic in our next video. Thank you.